Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Millie. Today I'm going to make some smoothie and salad, fruit salad. These are the ingredients for the smoothie. My cashew milk, some peanuts, and some oats. So I'm going to go ahead and wash the fruits first. Okay? I already washed the fruits, so I'm going to add in my peanuts, some cashew milk, and oats, strawberry oats. Okay, I'm just going to add a little bit more. Okay, that's enough. I'm going to go ahead and blend it. One more time to blend out the peanuts. Okay, it's nice and smooth. I'm gonna go ahead and pour it in my glasses. Wow. Nice and thick. There you have it. Health over wealth. Nice smooth drink. I'm gonna go ahead and prepare my salad as well. Stay tuned. Okay, my fruit salad. Doing some fruit salad. These are some grapes, cherry tomato, and some tangerine. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my avocado. I'm gonna add like a mango dressing. So big you can't go in the box, so I'm gonna use the fork. Just a little drizzle. Don't need a lot. Okay, guys, there you have it. Health over wealth, healthy fruits, fruit salad, and smoothie. Thank you. Bye.